Hello everyone, welcome to Runaway RV Nesters. We just had a major catastrophe in the RV. It puts the toilet to shame. This washing machine blew up. First it was leaking. Oh my God, I hate this. First it was leaking here, going all the way down to here at the bottom. And we come to find out there is no gasket. It never came with a gasket on the dispenser part. So we thought we'd, actually it was my husband, bright idea. Well, let's see if it leaks again. Oh hell, it leaked again, all right. Oh yeah, it leaked again. This time, excuse the wobbly videos, but this time it leaked down here. Right down there. Gushing out of this hole. And I can't open it. Gushing out of that hole right there. Everywhere. And so now we have water all under the slide on both sides, underneath the dryer too. What a heck of a mess. And then think I'm gonna do really good soaking it up with the wet dry shop vac. Shh, forget it. Ridiculous. It had so much soap from the washing machine. We should have just ran water. Why in the flip did I just put washing powder in it? I'm stupid. Ugh. So anyway, sucking up inside the drum and sucking up in that hole. And so now there's water all outside, on the ground, and inside still soaking wet in here. And I have wet towels. I ran out of towels. So, I got wet towels all in there. And I'm trying to soak it up with the shop vac. Well, there's soap from the washing machine. So, the shop vac is backing up. Oh my God. Note to self. I am getting somebody, excuse me, to take this mofo out. I don't want no more washing machine at all. I thought I was doing good. Oh gosh, never ending battle, let me tell you. You never know what you're gonna endure. So I'm gonna get somebody to take it out. Gotta take the doors out. Lovely. I'll keep my dryer, but I'm getting rid of that daggum washing machine. So if you're in the market for an RV, don't get a washing machine. Dryer, okay. Or maybe 2 dryers. Don't do it. I am the guinea pig. I always am. So, note to self. No washing machine in the flipping RV. Night. I gotta finish cleaning. Hello everyone, this is Runaway RV Nesters. I shouldn't be laughing, it's not funny. We had a major explosion last night with the washing machine. Turned it on, water went everywhere. So we are getting rid of this sucker. Washing machine and dryer. Water went from one end to the other end of the dryer, all the way under the slides, underneath the trailer, on the carpet, on the slide pull out. The water is still there, so they are taking it out. I don't know how they're going to do it. It's going to be a tight fit, so we shall see. Don't put a washing machine in your rig. Well, they had to take all the doors off. And we got blowers going, 2 blowers going. It came all the way under here up here, under here, all the way there, all the way back there by the bed. So we might have to take the cabinets out. Don't know. We shall see. Hello everyone, this is Jody with Runaway RV Nesters, and well, we are getting everything fixed. The carpet dried out, but there's water still where the heater was underneath, so they're drying that out, and the doors are still off. And I also found out today that my roof is delaminating. How interesting. That's another thing now that we have to deal with. Never freaking ending battle. Somebody may be getting an RV back. So everything has been addressed. We're repairing some stuff in here, but that's our next battle, is the delamination on the roof. Wonderful. So anyhow, hopefully it'll all work out in the end, but I'm not looking forward to the delamination process thing, because that means we got to get out of here. Wonderful. So anyway, check us back next time on the next go round. So you can check Runaway RV Nesters. I'm so messed up in the brain, on Instagram and also on Facebook. And you have a nice day.